The cup that you use for making Havdalah should be similar to the cup that you should use when you make Kiddush. Now, it doesn't have to be the same cup, but it has to meet certain standards that are common for the cups of Kiddush. It has to be the right size. It has to be at least a revi'it. Revi'it. It could be bigger, but it has to be a revi'it. It has to be whole. It shouldn't be cracked or broken. And it should be washed. You shouldn't have leftover a drink from some previous occasion in the cup when you go to use it. Now this in the Shulchan Aruch, this is appears in the Shulchan Aruch in Reish Ayin Aleph, Seif Yud, Umikadesh al kosmo leyayin. We're talking about Kiddush, but we said that for Havdalah, the rules are the same. Whatever is true for Kiddush is also true for Havdalah. Mekadesh al kosmo leyayin. You have to have a full cup of wine. Shelo ye pagum. It shouldn't be a cup which had some leftover wine in it. V'ta'un kol ma sheta'un kol shel birkat hamazon, and whatever is necessary for birkat hamazon, and the Mishnah Berurah adds, the cup has to be whole, it has to be clean, inside and outside, and that's how we have to make sure that it's a kos na'eh. It was years ago, Moshe Feinstein addressed the question of using paper cups for the purpose of Kiddush and or Havdalah. And he said that the paper cups are not appropriate. I'm not answering the question what to do if you don't have any cups except a paper cup. But if you have cups, regular cups, and you have a paper cup, while it's true that there are certain patent advantages to using paper cups, like you don't have to wash them out, you could just throw them away. Nevertheless, for Kiddush and Havdalah, it's inappropriate to use paper. It's inappropriate to use paper cups, and that's what the Shulchan Aruch says, and that's what the Mishnah Berurah adds. The Mishnah Berurah also points out, as far as the cup being whole, he says that this is the rule for all kosot shel bracha. It means all the time we make the bracha b'or pri hagefen on an occasion, on wine that we drink, because the Chachamim demanded it at a particular time, like at a wedding, like at Birkat HaMazon, that the cup has to be full with wine. And de facto, if you don't have any wine, the Mishnah Berurah says, to add, and you can't fill up the cup, it's possible to use a cup of wine that is not filled brimming to the top, as long as the wine is at least a revi'it of wine.